Hi everyone and welcome. It's Jill Foster here for Penny Black, and today I'm popping in with another video sharing Penny Black's newest release. This is video 5 out of 5 for our new release, focusing on beautiful themes for sentiments and card making. So if you missed the other videos, be sure that you go back and watch those. They're filled with lots of inspiration. And if you've been joining in for all of them, I just want to thank you so much for being here with us, for all of your kind comments and encouragement and support as we've been releasing this new collection. I'm very excited about this collection, and these are some of my favorite cards I've made maybe ever. They're just so much fun. So I am glad to be sharing with you today the kindness theme. And so we're going to have a sentiment stamp set with that theme, die cuts, as well as a critter stamp set. So let's go ahead and take a look at the sentiment stamp set. Let me grab that. Here it is. Almost lost it. Let's see. Okay. So here's a look at this stamp set. This is my personal set. It's very well loved. But here's a look at these sentiments. We've got kindness like yours makes the world feel a little lighter and a lot brighter. Your kindness is a gift that brightens the world around you. Kindness is contagious. Pass it on boldly. Kindness is your gift to the world, and I'm so lucky to receive it. Your kindness fills me with strength. Your kindness has touched my heart in the most beautiful way. Thank you for your kindness, and kindness is the light that helps others find their way. And I think these are such great sentiments for a really special thank you. Goes a little bit more than just the regular thank you. And I think that is something all of these sentiments bring, is just a little extra something special for the recipient of your card. I also think these are just great for encouragement or just because cards for other people. And so I just think what a beautiful stamp set. This is the kindness stamp set, 31-242, and it does have cutout dies available. You can see I've been using mine. And so really handy if you like to be able to pop up your sentiments, or you don't want to stamp them on a finished card. Sometimes that's a little scary if you leave your sentiment for the very end and then you do it crooked or something. So the cutout dies are really nice. Even if you just lay them flat on your card, at least it's like you get another chance, or it doesn't have to be stamped perfectly straight. You can do it on here and then glue it on straight or pop it on foam tape. So that's the sentiment set. We also have the edger dies. So I've been talking about these in all of the videos, but we have the kindness edger. So that die set is going to come with the edger and the script word kindness, and also a block word kindness. Now the block word does not work with the edger, but it works on its own. Really beautiful. So this edger you can put at any level or any height on a standard size card, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches, going across the 4 1/4 way, of course. And then the script word that you cut is going to fit right up into that edger portion, as you can see there. And then you can layer that onto your standard size card at whatever height you have cut it. And I'll show you cards with this so you can see all the different ways you can use this, but really versatile. And then this piece, well, the edger part does not work on a 5 by 7 card. This script word is also a really nice size on a 5 by 7. So it's kind of like can do double duty if you like to make both sizes of cards. Then you also will be getting this block word kindness. So you can mix and match all of these together. Here's the sizing on that on a standard size card. Also really versatile. You can position and move it around, and you can mix and match these with that sentiment stamp that I just shared. Now let me just clear off my desk and I will grab the critter stamps. Now these are classic, excuse me, classic penny black critters. They have been resized and reimagined so that we can get them on a clear set for you, which is easy to store, and have cutout dies available. So if you have any of these on wood block, they are different than the wood block, so the cutout dies work with this clear set. In order to meet the guidelines that are needed to make dies, we had to do some modifications, and they also just make them easier to work with and store, which I love. So you're getting really nice sized focal point images all together and curated to work with this sentiment. So if you get all of these, you can mix and match to your heart's delight, which is what I did, which was really fun. And of course they're going to mix and match with any other sentiments and different things that you have in your stash. So we've got this guy running along with this bouquet. These two can be used together, like he's given him the flowers. And then of course the mice cuddling under that big daisy is so sweet. And you're getting some sentiments in here. I treasure your kindness, and in a world where you can be anything, thank you for choosing to be kind. So even more great sentiments with this set. So now the cards, the inspiration. Let me grab those and move this stuff out of the way. Thank you for your patience as I'm kind of learning how to film and talk at the same time. Usually I do voiceovers, so thank you for joining me in all these videos. So here are the cards. Here is one where I've used that hedgy, and that kindness edger just gives them the perfect place to run across the card. Grounds him in there. I'm mixing and matching lots of different elements here, and I can pop him up and pop up this bottom part of the edger and add him to the card. Here you can see I've used that block letter, mixed it with the sentiment stamp, and these guys, I just tore a piece of paper and inked it up to give them some grass to stand, and I love how they're looking at each other. You'll see too with our like our semicircle stacker, this kindness word is going to fit really nicely inside of those stitched frame dies, the largest in those. Here I've featured those adorable little mice and our frame, just a little stamping on the background. And again, because we can cut those out, you can have them layered on top, or you could even have them just peeking out of that frame. So lots of different things you could do with that. They'd also look cute peeking out like above the edger. That would be another cute way to use those. Now, if you like critters, obviously we have you covered in this release, but if you like more elegant floral stamps, these sentiments are not too elegant or too cutesy. They really can be used for everything. So here you can see I've made a floral card, nearly one layer. I just added that die cut popped up. That's really a nice touch if you like to make mostly one layer cards, or you're looking for cards that have something extra but are mostly one layer. They're easy to mail. Here I've done some stenciling and inking and just stamped my sentiment on there and added a floral, one of our floral stamps with the cutout die along the side. And then all of these are standard 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch cards, except this is a 5 by 7. So this one, I have our Demure Orchid die cut on here. And then you can see I have an embossed background, which is so nice for those cutout dies on that sentiment set. And I love too that I can even kind of cross it over the stem. So sort of connecting all of these elements on the card, and the cutout die makes that so easy to do. So let me clear off my desk and I'll be right back with just a little bit more information. As I mentioned before, we do have a free PDF download, and I'll link that for you, and you can save that to your device, or you can print it like I've printed mine. And this is really nice because it follows each of the themes. So there's 5 themes of sentiments and die cuts and critters, and then also elegant card ideas with those themes. So for example, here is kindness that we're talking about in this video. And all of those cards I just shared are going to be in that PDF download. Nice large photos of them for inspiration that you can reference back to easily. Also, if you see one and you really love the card, it will tell you down below exactly what Penny Black products were used on that specific card. We also try to always list that information on our blog, and we will link those products. So if you don't want to search for them in our online store, you can do that. Our online store, this is just a screenshot of like the landing page for the online store, and right over here, if there's a product you want to see, you can just type that number in and it'll pull it up for you over there. And then also, all of the focal point images were painted with our Penny Black liquid watercolor inks, including like this die cut here. And so in this free downloadable PDF, we will list the color scheme that was used on these cards. So this is kind of the kindness color scheme. The colors that were used for the critters are down below here. We have a video that shows lots of tips and techniques, and actually show me painting the classic Penny Black critters. So we designed our liquid watercolor ink custom colors to know that you would have what you need to paint our critters and to easily paint them. You don't have to mix any of your own colors. Everything is available. So this is a really helpful video all about that. And I'll link things the best I can for you, so check for links, but also in this free downloadable PDF, I do have QR codes for all of those things so you can easily find them as well. So thank you so much for joining us. We have had so much fun sharing with you this collection. This is probably one of my favorite collections. We've done it in a really long time. I just love everything about it, and I think it's something, all of these I will keep returning to again and again and again, and I hope that they provide you with so much fun and inspiration that I have had creating with Penny Black's newest collection of themed sentiments. So thanks again for your kind words, for joining me today for a little chat and sharing, and I will see you very soon.